was staying on judicial matters, Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court has adjourned the trial of the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, indefinitely. The hearing follows a 24th of September court order where Justice Nyako recused herself from the case. Now, at the resumed hearing, Justice Binta Nyako explained that when she withdrew from the case, she sent the files to the Chief Judge for it to be reassigned to another judge, but the files were sent back to her to continue with the case. Nnamdi Kanu insists the Chief Judge does not have the power to force any lawyer on a case and that the Chief Judge can only appeal the court order.
Listen.
Let's get more updates from the court. TVC News, Joke Adisa joins me on the news. Joke, I mean, this particular case, Nnamdi Kanu's trial has been stuck at the point where Binta Nyako has had to recuse herself and it's been back and forth on that particular matter. Just give us a brief background as to, how they got to this point.
She granted that order. So she did revert to the Chief Judge so at the end of the day, the Chief Judge, of course, did rule that, did say that Mr. Kanu will have to come by way of a formal application, and so that he will state reasons for is wanting the Justice Binta Nyako to recuse herself from that case. And so that is where we were today. So when the case came up today, it was a whole lot of exchange of words from Mr. Nnamdi Kanu and the court. So that was what we saw at today's proceedings.
And we also understand, I know you already started touching on it, just tell us more about it, the fact that the Chief Judge is also now being accused of bias as well.
Yes, with what we saw today, it will take the court, of course, some time to actually know what to do with this case, with what has happened, because the implication now is that Mr. Kanu will have to be in custody of maybe of the DSS or even of correctional service for a long time. But of course, he has insisted that the court does this indefinitely. Of course, means that that case is nowhere.
I mean, the word there is indefinitely, which means that there is no dates to look forward to. Thank you so much for the update. We'll continue to see how this progresses. Our reporter, senior reporter live for us in the nation's capital, Joke Adisa.